Hello and welcome to the channel Gastronauts Kitchen. We're thrilled to present a variety of recipes gathered from around the world. Over 10 years of living and traveling on our catamaran, we have explored different regions and collected a whole arsenal of culinary masterpieces. If you appreciate diversity and fresh culinary ideas, you've come to the right place. Today we will be making falafel. Coarsely chop 2 medium-sized onions. Grind the chopped onions and strain this resultant puree through the sieve, separating it from excess liquid. This step is important to maintain the desired consistency of the falafel when adding lemon juice. And to begin with, you have to first soak chickpeas in water for 24 hours in a large amount of water. It is important to know that the chickpeas will increase in size several times, so you have to use enough water. Before cooking, drain the water and thoroughly rinse the chickpeas. Presently, coarsely chop cilantro and parsley. Cut 8 cloves of garlic into smaller pieces. Place chickpeas, cilantro, parsley, and garlic into a food processor. I suggest you put the cilantro and parsley first so that the chickpeas, they press down on them. It's easier that way to fit everything into a food processor. Generally, we consume about 4 to 5 pieces of falafel a person. This amount that we're preparing now is going to be enough for about 5 dinners. We are going to cook some today and the rest we're going to freeze and use later on whenever we feel like it. Simply because it is the same amount of work, just a bigger amount of food that we need to prepare, but time-wise it's the same. And next time we will have falafel in no time because we will only have to fry it and make a salad. After emptying the remains of our food processor, we add onion puree to the mix. We throw away the liquid. We mix it. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, salt, 3 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, two teaspoons of dill, dried, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of coriander. Now squeeze half a lemon and add the juice to the mix. Add 1 teaspoon of soda and a cup of chickpea flour. Now mix all of the ingredients very well and let's form them into rounded flat patties. Wet your hands regularly to prevent mix from sticking to them, and use parchment paper to line container you're going to be using for freezing. Press 2 cloves of garlic, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, add pressed garlic into the lemon juice and allow it to stay there for about 10-20 minutes. Add some salt, a pinch of salt. Then you separate the lemon juice, leaving the garlic out. Add 3 tablespoons of tahini, mixing it well with the lemon juice. Until it reaches right consistency, whatever you prefer. We like it thick yogurt consistency. We add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Mix it all well. And the fennel we add because we like the taste, and also it helps to suppress any unpleasant gasiness that can arise from chickpeas. You can add a little bit of water if your sauce is a little too thick. Mix it well and try it, see if you want to add more salt. Heat up some oil and start putting in carefully your patties. You can lower the temperature now, since we have reached the temperature we want, and we already loaded up with the cold patties. Now we fry them until we reach the color that is desired, and get ready a plate that is lined with paper towel for absorption of excess oil from falafel. Falafel is a protein-rich food, so it has to make a very satisfactory meal, and you can have it over a salad or over tortilla with iceberg lettuce with the sauce that we have made. We hope you enjoyed making falafel with us, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and come back to see what else we have in our kitchen.